Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and today I'm working on day 13 of ByTheWell4God's Follow Me devotional kit. Now we're nearing the end of the devotional as there's only 14 days, and I'm still trying to come up with ways to make each tag special and a little unique from one another. And so today I'm going to be doing a wax seal. But first off, to make these layers a little bit more fun, I am using this spiral punch from We Are Memory Keepers. It comes in a pack of 3, and I think you could probably go without the punch board. The punch board came with an alphabet for me, but it does help keep it steady. So, you can try it out with the punch board first if you wanted to do it. But yeah, anywho, so anyways, I am just adding a little bit of frayed burlap to all the edges to kind of finish them off. And then I'm going to work on gluing down these layers before I add my wax seal. So I'm going to put this down a little bit, and then I'm going to cover up most of those verses as I flipped this upside down with this journaling card. And then that bottom piece will go right there to cover up that little truck so it doesn't look awkward as it's upside down. So anyways, we're going to work on our wax seal now. Now I love making these wax seals. It's super relaxing, and I like it's just enjoyable to do. And so I'm using 2 different pinks today and using my favorite wax seal, which is like an oval one with a nice border and super cute flowers. I want to get more of these. I just need to look and find some more because they're so fun to use in different projects. What's great about this is it's a tag ring, so I don't have to worry about extra chunk or whatnot. And what is also great about wax seals, which I didn't really think about before I started using them, is if you mess up, you can just remelt the wax. So that is something that's really helpful. As you can see here, actually I fast forwarded through it, but I did pour it once and use too much wax, realized that I used too much wax, and then just cut it up with my Tim Holtz scissors and remelted it, and it worked out perfectly. So, it's very forgiving. So I added that label. I'm going to cut off the little extra, and then I will put this wax seal right in the corner kind of this label and kind of fill up some of this white empty space. And then I want to make sure to add day 13 to this because I've tried to do that on every tag to add the day it corresponds with. So I took out my Saved Through Faith stamp set, and then I'm stamping out 13 using these numbers with some Kitsch Flamingo. And then I'll take out my mini tile alphas and spell out the word day next to it in the hot pink color. Now I also forgot to show on here, but I did double back this with some of that light blue floral. I've done that on every tag as well, adding some extra sturdiness and just a fun pop of pattern or color on the back side. Now to finish this card off completely, I did decide that I wanted the top to have a tab on it because it just felt like it was missing something up there. And originally I had tried to kind of stuff it in behind the journaling card because that's how I normally use tags, by covering up the bottom. But it was not wanting to go in after I had glued it down. And so I decided instead to just staple it to the top and cut off the edge. Now there's nothing on this tab, but just a little fun extra pop of color up at the top. And then guys, this tag will be done. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. I'll try to link everything I use down below in the description, and I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.